It's been yet another sunny Sunday across the country, other than some clouds situated over the northeastern parts. Overall, it's been a dry day, but on our satellite, you'll see a large amount of cloud and thunderstorms moving in over Namibia in the afternoon, with those thundershowers starting to extend through to the Northern Cape later on Sunday afternoon. The thundershowers will continue as we head towards Monday, even extending into the Western Cape. We're also expecting some light morning rain along the north coast of KwaZulu-Natal, with a partly cloudy and dry day for the rest of the country and a warm forecast for the Eastern Cape. Here's a look at our weather forecast across South Africa at the start of the work week, with some light morning rain along the north coast of KwaZulu-Natal and a high of 27 degrees for Richards Bay, with a warm forecast and a mostly sunny day for Ladysmith and Newcastle, both at 24 degrees. We'll see some cloud move in over the Eastern Cape in the second part of the day, with a warm day in store, 27 for East London and Port Alfred, and Port Elizabeth expecting a maximum of 28 degrees. Partly cloudy at 33 for Oudtshoorn, with a hot day for George at 31 with a partly cloudy forecast. We're expecting dry weather for Mossel Bay and Bredasdorp, but with thundershowers over the far western part of the Western Cape. Cape Town with a maximum of 30 degrees and Worcester and Robertson at 34. We're also expecting isolated thundershowers for Vredendal and Calvinia, as well as Springbok and Alexander Bay. Partly cloudy and dry over the eastern part of the Northern Cape, with a high of 28 degrees for De Aar and Kimberley. Mostly sunny at 26 for Bloemfontein, with a cool day over the eastern part of the Free State, with Bethlehem and Harrismith expecting a high of 22 degrees. Daytime highs will peak in the middle and upper 20s for the northwest, with a dry forecast in store. We're also expecting dry weather for Limpopo, 22 for Polokwane and Tzaneen, but then warm for the Lowveld, 26 for Bombela with a partly cloudy day, and a mostly sunny and mild day for the Mpumalanga Highveld, Ermelo with a maximum of only 20 degrees. Johannesburg and Soweto can both expect a high of 24, and Pretoria tops 25 in the afternoon, with a predominantly sunny day expected. On our wind map, you'll see a light northerly to northwesterly wind for Cape Town, with a fresh northeaster along the Eastern Cape coast, and light winds expected for Gauteng as well as the Free State. Our extended forecast shows quite a bit of cloud moving in on Tuesday and Wednesday, with mostly cloudy weather and daytime highs in the low 20s in the northeast, with thundershowers for Uppington and Kimberley, and we're expecting rain over the far eastern part of the country for Tuesday and Wednesday, where daytime highs remain in the low 20s, but with a warm day for the rest of the country. That's all from the Weather Centre for now. Have a wonderful week.
Know more. eNCA.com